Here are a couple of practice problems on covalent compound naming. Covalent compounds are bonding between nonmetal and nonmetals, and it's indicated by the green areas in this periodic table. If you have a hard time remembering which ones are nonmetals, you can start from the boron and go down in staircase. So if you look at these problems, you will see that carbon comes from the green area right here, oxygen also from the green area. And they share electrons because they're nonmetal, and that's how they're different in comparison to the ionic compound, where in ionic compound you have a metal that's positively charged that's paired with the anion that's negatively charged. In covalent compound, you use prefixes as listed here. The only time that you do not need to use the prefix is when you have one and it's the first one that it's appearing. So carbon is listed first, but there is only one carbon, so you do not need to use the prefix mono. The answer for this would be carbon dioxide. In contrast to that, if you have CO, where it's listed second and you only have one of the oxygen, this would be something like carbon monoxide. So you do need to use the mono when you have the atom that comes second and you only have one of that atom. The second one here, right here, will be nitrogen. There's two nitrogen, so you do need the prefix di, so dinitrogen. And the prefix for 4 would be tetra. You will see that oxygen and tetra, if you try to combine that, you end up with two vowels. If that's the case, you drop the vowel from the prefix. So it will be tetroxide. This problem will be silicon, answer silicon dioxide. Let's do a couple problems going backwards from the name to the formula this time. Phosphorus, P, that's the symbol for phosphorus. How many are there? Di, that means 2. Oxygen, and there's 5 of it. And if you look at this again, this is another example where you have two vowels, because penta, it ends with A, and there is oxygen that starts with O, so you drop A. Sulfur trioxide will be SO3. So I hope you found this video helpful.